Welcome to the Will It Cut video series. Each video will feature 10 random household items and we'll put them to the test against this brand new Mitre saw. Before we get going, I'm going to put on my ear defenders, my gloves and my safety glasses. Pure carnage.
Toy car, let's go! Let's finish it off.
Guys, if you want to suggest what you want to see me cut up next, please put a comment down below. But remember, these have to be household affordable products. Oh man, and that's all we've got left of that poor calculator. It's been destroyed!
Yeah, they might still work. Wow!
We've got another toy to have a look at. Let's see what this does. piece of Play-Doh from inside this thing. There's the instructions. There's plastic all over the floor, bits of blue everywhere. There's a bit of pony over there. Pencils, oh my goodness.
Right now, here we go. This is going to be absolute carnage, guys. Carnage. Here we go. A bit of an anti-climax, really. I mean, nothing really happened. We just got a really nicely, evenly sliced packet of crackers.
I think it's safe to say, guys, we've made an absolute mess here, and it's going to take some serious cleaning up, but I've had a lot of fun, and I've got one bonus item to stick in the cutter.
If you've ever wondered what's inside a 9-volt battery, it's smaller cell batteries stuck together. That's very interesting.
Well guys, that's the end of the very first video in the Will It Cut series. Now, if you want to see more like this, you need to let me know what products, what items you want to see sent into the cutter next, and I'll feature them on the show. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Just like and subscribe if you fancy it. Bye for now. See ya.